Today I'm gonna teach you how to make cave system. Oh, I already went to the needed stuff chest. Let's go in here. Wait, let's clear the inventory first. Clear. Alright, now let's today's task, making caves. Oh, and also big creeper and creeper. Alright. This is Talker Georgie, and I bet you haven't met their big creeper, I'm pretty sure, and this is little creeper. They're a little bit big creeper's a little bit taller. Because when I spawned them in there, we were like that. Probably something to do with this mod. Which is this. It's the same as the Winter Storm mod, so let's grab our needed stuff chest. We're actually gonna use monsters. These are actually the best ways that I know of to make caves. Well, actually, we're gonna start with the right. So let's. Oh, I almost forgot to go through the teleporting stuff. We're going to teleport to a stronghold. Let's go. Right, we're at a stronghold. Right, so let's make my favorite way of doing this. Ooh, staircase. We're gonna climb down to the bottom of the staircase and actually... There we go! The freeway cave. See, it goes on for a really long time. And totally ripped apart the stronghold. They call it stronghold because I think it's supposed to be super strong. This one wasn't. It was literally ripped apart. And I'm gonna just a second. Oh, my teleporter's right there. Well, let's just get back in here. Right. I gotta do it again, but a little bit more straight. Right, so I'm gonna go to a different part of the stronghold and actually do that. Alright. Oh, okay. We'll actually try to go a little bit more straight. Go diagonal again. Alright. Oh, I found the end portal. The only problem is it was ripped apart with the Ender Dragon. If you're looking for an end portal, I'm warning you, by using this way to make cave system that keep breaking into the strongholds sometimes works. Because it worked for me once, and not always, because what usually happens is I actually think I totally lost the place where I started. So whatever, we're lost in this stronghold. Oh man, my night vision's wearing off. Now for the next one. And I'm pretty sure you know, it has something to do with the water. Oh, don't know where that guy went. Oh. Where are these winners? Winners going. Oh wait. Whatever, we're gonna spawn in another one. And here. Hopefully that with this right. So I'm pretty sure if I go down here, it will lead. Alright, so I'm looking for one small. So I don't know where I'm at. That means I don't know where to. So I'm lost in the stronghold now, where I need this cave systems. Maybe I think it's this one. Nah, that's not it. So I'm basically lost in the stronghold. I built a teleporter, and if I didn't get lost, I would have actually found it really easy. I would actually, because I literally knew how to get to the teleporter from where I was at. This one is not where I'm at, if you haven't noticed. So where I wasn't. So I can't find it. So if you guys like this video, please subscribe, please like, and I still can't find the teleporter. Guess we're gonna have to teleport using the command and not the really good teleporter I built. But so subscribe, like, tell a friend, and I guess I'm gonna have to teleport by actually plugging in the command, not using the teleporter because I can't find it. But don't worry about that. I know the coordinates to where my secret base are. Or is, so hopefully in the next video I will come out soon. Yeah, hopefully you'll see the next video soon, right? I don't know. Since I don't know what my schedule is, I actually got no plans for another video. Because I don't know what to do for it. So I don't know what to do for my next video, but I'm gonna end the video here.